Hi everyone. We've got Sam, who is a finance apprentice at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board with us today, and we've asked him a few questions on his apprenticeship so far. Hi Sam, what apprenticeship are you currently studying?
Hello, my name's Sam Stevens and I'm currently studying a finance apprenticeship within NHS Wales Finance. I chose this as from around 16 years old I knew that a career in finance was the route that I wanted to take. Maths was always my strong point in school and I wanted to apply my numerical skills in real life. And therefore, I opted for an apprenticeship as opposed to university, as I felt getting hands-on experience was exactly what I needed. And also to gain an accounting qualification which has been fully funded for me, so to walk away with no debt.
Fantastic. So what have you enjoyed most about your apprenticeship experience so far?
On the whole, I've enjoyed more or less everything. However, to narrow it down, I'd say working in the professional environment I've enjoyed the most. I've built my technical skills for sure. I use a laptop every day in work. I have strong social skills anyway, but working in the professional environment has taught me how to speak in a professional manner, and I've become more articulate with speech and learned not to be the loudest in the room, but to instead absorb as much as I possibly can to learn and develop. I have built strong relationships with some colleagues whilst maintaining good relationships with others. And being a now 21-year-old, I really enjoy socialising with those older than me in the office, as it isn't something I'd really been exposed to before, as I was fresh out of comprehensive school.
Great. So what advice would you give to anyone thinking of applying to do an apprenticeship with NHS Wales Finance?
I'd certainly do some research into the organisation and various health boards, as there's a lot more than meets the eye to NHS Finance. I had no idea the scale that the health boards work on and the day-to-day operations that take place. So for anyone liking the idea of working in an environment that's very professional, I honestly cannot recommend the NHS enough.
So you would recommend undertaking a finance apprenticeship to others?
Absolutely. It's taught me many skills that I will carry with me throughout my whole career, and it's also helped me a lot with managing myself outside of work too. The work-life balance is manageable, and there's also always support there if it's needed. If you're someone who'd rather get into the working world as opposed to university and have an interest in the finance world, then this path is certainly a very strong choice. What I enjoy most is feeling valued, developing as an individual, and also working in the professional environment. It's certainly opened my eyes to a lot.
Great. So what are your career goals for once you've completed your apprenticeship?
So once I've completed my apprenticeship and become AAT qualified, AAT is the qualification I'm studying on the apprenticeship, I plan on applying and hopefully getting a fixed post within an NHS health board, ideally being Cardiff and Vale, and then going on to complete the ACCA qualification, which would leave me qualified as a fully qualified accountant. I plan on staying with the NHS as long as I can, as I enjoy it so much, feel valued, and also very at home.
Great. Thank you so much, Sam. So to our audience, if you're interested in our programmes or what our students say about them, scan the QR code on the screen or visit www.financeacademy.nhs.wales. And you can also register your interest and be one of the first to hear about our programmes. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you very much.